Today's lesson is about midsegment of a triangle. By definition, midsegment of a triangle is a segment connecting the two midpoints of two sides of a triangle. The formula you're going to use, the midsegment equals half of the third side, or the one that we're going to really use most is 2 times the midsegment equals the third side. It'll make a little bit more sense once I show you how it works on a problem. I do want you to make a note here that the third side is always parallel, or the midsegment, I'm sorry, is always parallel to the third side and half the length of the third side. That's the other part of the definition. Okay, here our midsegment is the one in the middle because it connects the two midpoints. You'll see that both the left and the right side are split up into two equal parts. So then we can do 2 times the midsegment, so 2 times 6x equals the third side, which is 36. So 2 times 6x is 12x equals 36. Divide by 12 on both sides, x equals 3. And that's it. On this one, we notice the triangle's kind of turned to the side. That's okay. You can still use the same rule. So we're going to do 2 times the midsegment. So 2 times 2x plus 1 equals the third side. So it equals 18. So then we just need to distribute the 2. 4x plus 2 equals 18. Minus 2 on both sides. 4x equals 16. Divide by 4. X equals 4. Okay, here on number 3, you see that we have 2 different problems. So for the first one, it gives you that DE is 4x minus 5 and BC is 3x plus 15. So DE is your midsegment, so that's the one we're going to times by 2. So 2 times 4x minus 5 equals 3x plus 15, and then we solve like normal. So 8x minus 10 equals 3x plus 15. So I'm going to minus the 3x. Both sides. 5x minus 10 equals 15. Add the 10. 5x equals 25. Divide by 5 on both sides. X equals 5. And on part B, same idea, same picture. So yet again, our midsegment is going to be DE. So we're going to do 2 times 6x minus 4 equals 4x plus 8. We're going to distribute the 2. 12x minus 8 equals 4x plus 8. I'm going to minus the 4x on both sides. So I get 8x minus 8 equals 8. Add 8 to both sides. 8x equals 16. Divide by 8. X equals 2. Hopefully this is making sense because I am going to ask you to try the next one on your own and see how you do. See if you get the right answer. All right, try number 4 on your own. Remember, identify which one is the midsegment, multiply it by 2, and set it equal to the third side of the triangle. All right, pause the video and then check your work and see how you did. Okay, hopefully you paused the video and you did okay with this. Check your work, see how you did, check your setup. Make sure you don't have any small errors. All right, let's go over this one, or let's do this one together. So you're going to times 2 times the midsegment, and the midsegment is x minus 10 equals x plus 15. Distribute your 2. 2x minus 20 equals x plus 15. Minus x on both sides. X minus 20 equals 15. Add 20. x equals 35. Hopefully this is getting easier. Once you get it set up, it's all about solving and using those equation solving skills that we did last unit. All right, we're going to do 2 times the mid-segment, so 2 times 2x minus 21 equals x plus 13. Distribute the 2. 4x minus 42 equals x plus 13. Minus the x on both sides. 3x minus 42 equals 13. Add the 42 to both sides. 3x equals 55. And divide by 3, and this one does not come out to be a nice number. It's 18.3 repeating, or you can just leave it as 55 over 3. Sorry, that one's not as nice as the other ones, but it is what it is. I am going to have you try the last one on your own and see how you do. It does come out to a nice number. So go ahead and try this one on your own. Pause the video, check your setup, and make sure that you are timesing the mid segment by 2 and then setting it equal to the third side. And then replay or hit play on the video and check your work. All right, hopefully you got the answer that I got of 15, and you checked your setup. 2 times x minus 4 equals x plus 7, and then you solve for x. All right, hopefully this is pretty easy for you guys. It's just working on solving and making sure you have the correct setup, and you are going to do some practice in class, and I hope you have a good day.